Good morning, students. So, chapter first in geography, where we are going to tell about environment. So, what is environment? What is it contain? Why is we need to study about the environment? What comes on the environment? All these things will be discussed in this chapter. So, coming to the definition of the word environment. Environment is something, in simple word we can say, as the basic life support system. So the system which need to support the life on the planet earth is known as environment. We need a set of conditions to be in place in order to live happily, to survive on this planet. So, the conditions which are required to survive on this planet is known as environment. We also call it as the basic life support system. So, what is there in the basic life support system? The students, when it comes to divisional factor, what comes under the basic life support system? The first factor, we remember it as it essential for everyone, for us, is breathe. We inhale air. So in this entire planet we have air, the atmosphere. The next factor is water. We need water for every day-to-day needs. So we need food for survive, to keep our body fit, and we need land to live. So these are the main components which come under the basic life support system, that is air, water, food and land. So in the environment, it is the combination of air, water, food and land. So all these are naturally available for us. By nature, they are gifted to the humans. So we are broadly categorize the basic life support system into two categories, that is the natural component and human made components. What are natural components? The natural components are air, water, land. Plants and animals, all this comes under natural components. So by nature, given as a gift to all the human made things. So coming to the human made things, whatever things, road, infrastructure, industries, car, vehicles, etc., all these things come under the human made things. So for our convenience, for our most luxurious lifestyle, we started to discover new things from the things which are available in the nature. That's why we are called them human made things. So in the ecosystem, we have basic life support system. In the basic life support system, the basic things are air, water, food and land. So we can broadly categorize them into two categories, natural and human made components. So we can also categorize them in the science term as biotic and abiotic organisms. So what is biotic and what is abiotic? So ecosystem is also be called as the combination of biotic and abiotic organisms. So what is biotic and what is abiotic? Biotic means which consist of all the living organisms, all the things which have life in this planet come under biotic category. All the things which are not coming under life or which doesn't have life under abiotic organisms. So the example of biotic are plants, animals. When we comes to the abiotic, we have the all known living elements which are available on this planet is under abiotic. So it can be land, it can be rocks. So all these things come under abiotic. So in brief, we can define the environment as the surroundings or conditions in which a person, animal, or plant lives or operates. The term environment refers to all elements of the physical and biological world, as well as the interaction between them. So, students, that's all for today. Have a good day. Stay safe.